You're looking for a quick, simple way to take your event planning career to the next level? I've got a pro tip that's going to help you stand up and stand out. Welcome to the Elevate Experiences YouTube channel, where we share tips and best practices for your next event. As event professionals, we work in one of the most fascinating, energetic, life-giving fields. Our events are meant to be remarkable and fun and exciting and engaging experiences where people feel this sense of, man, I was so excited to be a part of that, and I left inspired and engaged and, most of all, impacted. Here's the thing though, there's nothing worse than a meeting with an event professional who's stale, boring, or outdated, am I right? Clients are looking for a cutting-edge event planner who can spice up their event and make it completely relevant and connecting. How do you do that? I know there's one thing for certain, it's sure as heck not by suggesting the same event ideas that were popular 10 years ago. So here's one of my favorite pro tips to help you become a top choice in the event planning industry. Here it is. Pretty simple but profound. Keep up with industry trends. The events industry is ever evolving, ever growing, ever changing. The new exciting elements you can add are fantastic. And there's constantly things that you can look at that's going to keep you forward thinking, such as event technology and new ways of engaging the crowd. Now, as an event planner, not that. Let me rephrase that. As a top choice event planner, it's your responsibility to be the first to know these new trends and be able to quickly apply them in your context. In fact, I'd love to hear from you right now. What's an event trend you've seen over the last year that you want to share? I'd love to drop a comment, love to hear and learn from you. In short, no one wants to meet with an event planner whose ideas are stale and they literally can't see the typical PowerPoint award ceremony. Now, your clients aren't going to know the latest event trends, are they? They're gonna be looking to you as the expert, so it's time to step up. Now, it's important to have the latest trends literally up your sleeve and be able to recommend these to your clients at any given moment. Now, if you're looking for ways to stay ahead of the curve, that's literally what I do for a living. Our entire team at Elevate is focused on keeping up with industry event trends. And you can get these resources on something we call the mic. The link is in the description below, and I'd love for you to sign up for this keyword, free content, because once a week we're putting out great stuff about events and leadership and ways for you to grow for your next event. Now be sure to subscribe to our channel and take a look at our other event videos. We're putting out content that's hopefully gonna help you grow as an event planner. We're giving you a ton of tips and tricks so you can get better. And hey, could you do me a favor? If you liked this pro tip, go ahead and click the thumbs up on this video. All right, now hopefully this video has helped you see how you can spice it up and have a fantastic time being a top choice in the events industry. I wanna say thanks for tuning in. Now go get after it.